everybody, it's Jocelyn, your realtor. Today I am at the Four Seasons of Great Notch in Clifton and Woodland Park, New Jersey. This community is so big, it goes into two towns. Half of it is 55 and over, and the other half is 50 and over. It's such a beautiful complex. One of my favorite things about this complex is that it's gated and the stunning community center that they have for their homeowners. There is a clubhouse, there is a huge gym, there is so much to do here, tons of clubs, tennis, 2 pools. It's really a stunning place. If you're interested in seeing one of the units here or taking a tour of the community room and all the amenities that it has, please contact me today at jocelynsellsnj.com. Hey guys, so we are at the Great Notch Four Seasons and I'm at the pool right now. I just wanted to show you this spectacular view of the New York City skyline that you could see every day by buying one of the units like the one that we just listed. It's really, really stunning. The grounds here are beautiful. There's an indoor and outdoor pool. This is the clubhouse. There is the indoor pool. There's a gym. There's a billiards room, bocce, tennis, library, all kinds of clubs to join. This is a 50 or 55 and up community. That is a beautiful pool with the views. Really, really pretty. Please, if you're interested in seeing any more of this gorgeous community room, please let me know. Contact me today, jocelynsellsnj.com. Be happy to give you your private tour. Really beautiful place. Let's go look at that skyline one more time. How pretty is that? Now when you pull into the complex, which is a gated community, you do see a beautiful waterfall, which is, we're at the top of the waterfall now. You can really see this beautiful clear day here. Again, we are at the Four Seasons Great Notch. There's so many wonderful units here. Some are almost feel like a single family home. Some of them are completely one floor living. All of them come with a garage. We just put the newest one on the market. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you soon.